Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch gaming monitors in Steam without messing up your desktop settings. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the Steam client is fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled View. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Big Picture Mode. This mode is specifically designed for gaming and gives you more control over display settings without affecting your Windows desktop configuration. After Big Picture Mode launches, you'll be presented with a full-screen interface that's optimized for navigation. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find a menu button. Click on it to access the main settings and configuration options. This menu is your gateway to all the important Steam system settings. Once the menu panel opens, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see various options listed. Click on Settings. This section contains all the customization options for your Steam Big Picture Mode experience, including display configurations, audio settings, and controller preferences. Now, within the Settings menu, navigate to the left panel again and click on Display. This is where you can manage all your monitor-related settings without touching any of your Windows display configurations. The Display section gives you precise control over which monitor Steam uses for gaming sessions. In the Display settings, look for an option called Preferred Display. Right below this label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a list of all the monitors currently connected to your system. From this list, select your preferred gaming monitor. This ensures that whenever you launch a game through Steam, it will automatically open on your chosen display instead of defaulting to your primary Windows monitor. With your preferred monitor now selected, it's time to exit Big Picture Mode and return to the standard Steam interface. Click on the menu button again in the bottom left corner. From the menu that appears, click on Power and then select Exit Big Picture Mode. Steam will now remember your display preference for gaming sessions while keeping your desktop settings completely untouched. And that's it. You've successfully configured Steam to use your gaming monitor without affecting any of your desktop display settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.